Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a keyboard that's not working on your HP laptop so you can actually get back to typing normally again. So first, simply restart your laptop because sometimes a simple reboot actually fixes temporary glitches. Next, you can also try checking your keyboard drivers. So simply press Windows plus X at the same time, then head over to your device manager, then keyboards. And then simply right click your keyboard and select update driver. You can also uninstall the driver, then restart your laptop. Don't worry, Windows is then going to reinstall your driver automatically. Now you can also make sure that there's no debris under the keys by gently cleaning with compressed air or a soft brush. Now if it's still not working, you can also go to settings, then ease of access, and then keyboard. From here, you then have to ensure that filter keys or other accessibility options aren't interfering with input. So after these steps, your HP laptop keyboard should start working properly again. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.